you're a dreamer and a doer, because I think one of the questions will come up, what's the first thing you're going to do? And the first thing I'm going to do is check out the latest and greatest technology, or that awesome, piece of equipment that you know would probably benefit your company. But the doer side is, I will be selecting tools or getting information. I will probably come away with something, whether I purchase it or even get something to try. I would say I've had come across things that I was able to put into action like within weeks of coming back from the show. And I have made a purchase of a insert that was $20, which has saved hundreds of hours over a number of years. The stuff that they're doing now with additive machining, it's just mind-blowing. And the funniest thing, that paradigm of like technology is gone as far as it's gone, or you can't imagine what's possible. I've been doing this for 24 years. We've all been in business for a long time, and if this is the job you're going to do day in and day out, you might as well have some passion for it. And that's what IMTS has given to me. And like I said, having these young guys come there and see what's available, what is out there, the technology. And every once in a while, a guy on the floor will say, hey, remember we saw that at the show? It'd be awesome if we could get that, And I'm like, yeah, it's on the dream list,
When it comes to comparisons, there's no comparison. Manufacturing is a buzz where dreamers and doers connect.